Today, I am really excited to share with you about a topic that perhaps many people are familiar with: EM, effective microorganisms. But wait, don't rush to think that this is another old article about composting or watering plants. The truth is, there is a much bigger story behind these two words, EM. A story about unexpected discoveries, about past misunderstandings, and most importantly, about a truth that could completely change the way we look at land, crops, and our own health. You must have heard that EM is good for plants, good for composting. But perhaps you have also heard vaguely somewhere, maybe from a decade ago, that EM is something dangerous, is anaerobic microorganisms that are not good. Today, we will together uncover the whole story. Please stay until the end. I believe you will love what you are about to hear. So, what exactly is EM? Ignoring the story of how it was discovered, let's get straight to the point. What is it made of? Basically, EM is a special team consisting of 4 core microbial groups. Each group has a separate role, but coordinates with each other extremely well. 1. The first is Lactobacillus, also known as Lab. This is the bacteria that you can make at home with rice water. The role of Lab is a decomposition expert. It transforms indigestible protein, nitrogen, into amino acids that crops can absorb immediately. Imagine it this way. If you apply too much nitrogen fertilizer, your soil will have excess nitrate, which can easily cause poisoning for the plants. But when LAB is present, it will help convert that excess nitrate into a valuable source of nutrients, rich in amino acids. This opens up a huge potential. You can fertilize with nitrogen-rich fertilizer at any stage of the plant, without fear of affecting the flowering and fruiting process. 2. Secondly, the star of the whole team, purple non-sulfur photosynthetic bacteria, PNSB. This is an incredibly flexible warrior. It can eat a lot of things, from CO2, oxygen, sugar, to light. It has the ability to switch nutritional modes depending on the environment it lives in. Sounds a bit complicated, right? But there's an extremely simple way for you to see this magical process with your own eyes. An experiment that I myself have done over and over again many times. I just need a 2-liter bottle, put in it a little EM1 and molasses in the appropriate ratio, then seal the bottle mouth with a rubber balloon. A few days later, you will see the balloon inflate due to CO2 gas being released during the bacteria eating sugar. But the miracle doesn't stop there. Just leave it alone. After a while, when the bacteria have used up the sugar and begin to panic, they will switch to another survival mode, consuming the CO2 they have just created, and you will see the ball slowly deflate. That's it. That very moment is when you are witnessing the power of PNSB at work. It's not some mysterious miracle. It's science, it's nature, and it's happening right before our eyes. The third member is yeast. It sounds strange, but it is yeast that makes beer, makes bread. Everyone. The amazing thing is that recent studies show that yeast exists everywhere, in the soil, on the surface, and even lives right inside trees as an endophyte. They play an important role in helping plants regulate and process the amount of sugar produced from photosynthesis. 4. Finally, there are primary decomposing microorganisms, such as streptomyces. They are not only the diligent sanitation workers in every decomposition process, but also have a special ability, activating the plant's immune response, helping the plant become healthy and better resistant to pests and diseases. With only these first 4 groups of microorganisms, we have seen that EM is not just a fertilizer, it is a biological regulation system, helping crops operate the most core processes, from photosynthesis to protein creation, more smoothly. The tree is less stressed and can spend more energy on development, fruiting, and protecting itself. But the story doesn't stop there. What if I told you that this squad also has other secret members? Members that not everyone knows.